Top sport touring motorcycles for long trips. Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. The Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory is a masterful combination of sportbike performance and touring practicality, offering an unparalleled riding experience for enthusiasts who crave adrenaline-packed adventures and long-distance journeys alike. Known for its razor-sharp handling and cutting-edge technology, the Tuono V4 1100 Factory stands as a top contender in the sport touring segment. Power and performance. At the heart of the Tuono V4 1100 Factory is Aprilia's legendary 1077 cubic centimeters V4 engine. This high-revving power plant produces an exhilarating 175 horsepower and 121 Newton-meters of torque, delivering explosive acceleration and a top-tier riding experience. Its distinct V4 roar adds an emotional element to every ride, making it a favorite among performance enthusiasts. The bike features a 6-speed gearbox with a quickshifter for clutchless upshifts and downshifts, ensuring seamless gear changes. The lightweight aluminum frame, inspired by Aprilia's racing heritage, provides exceptional stability and agility, whether carving through twisty roads or cruising on the highway. Touring comfort. Despite its aggressive nature, the Tuono V4 1100 Factory is surprisingly accommodating for long trips. The semi-upright riding position strikes a balance between comfort and control, reducing fatigue over extended journeys. The ergonomically designed seat and adjustable windscreen enhance rider comfort while providing effective wind protection during high-speed cruising. The suspension system, featuring Öhlins SmartEC 2.0 semi-active electronic damping, adapts in real time to road conditions, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride on various terrains. The bike's 18.5-liter fuel tank offers decent range, making it a viable option for long-distance touring. Advanced technology. The Tuono V4 1100 Factory is packed with state-of-the-art electronics, making it one of the most technologically advanced sport touring motorcycles available. Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC) includes traction control, wheelie control, and launch control, all of which are adjustable for different riding styles. Cornering ABS by Bosch enhances braking stability in turns. Multiple riding modes tailor the bike's performance for touring, sport, or track use. Full-color TFT display offers navigation, trip data, and smartphone connectivity. Cruise control, ideal for long stretches on the highway. Practicality. Optional hard luggage and tank bags make the Tuono V4 1100 Factory capable of carrying gear for multi-day trips. Its robust build quality and attention to detail ensure it's ready for the rigors of long-distance travel. The verdict. The Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory is a sport touring marvel, delivering unmatched performance, advanced features, and surprising touring capabilities. For riders who want their long trips infused with the thrill of a high-performance machine, the Tuono V4 1100 Factory is an unbeatable choice.